Hello everyone, good morning to all. Dear students, welcome to the 2021 to 22 academic year. It's a great opportunity to be your SSC teacher. Welcome to you all in my SSC class. I am Urmila Jaswal, your SSC teacher. In this year of class 9, in SSC subject, we will study 4 books of SSC. First, history, that is, and India and the contemporary world textbook in history. And second, economics textbook, that is. Third, democratic politics, that is political science book. And fourth, contemporary India textbook in geography. Okay, so first I explain you what subject of what chapter of in history of your class. So in history your chapters are divided 3 sections. Okay, first section, events and process. So in this section, first chapter, the French Revolution, and second chapter, socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Third chapter, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Is in this section we will read many events and process like French Revolution, Russian Revolution, socialism in Europe, and rise of Hitler, rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. That is we will read. And second section of history is livelihoods, economics, and societies. Okay, in this part we will read chapter 4, forest society and colonialism, and chapter 5, pastoralist in the modern world, and chapter 6, peasants and farmers. Third section we will study topic everyday life, culture and politics. In this section we will read chapter of history and sports, the story of cricket, and chapter 8, clothing, a social history. So total of 8 chapter we will study in history part. And second, democratic politics, textbook in political science. In this book we will read chapter 1, democracy in the contemporary world. This part is deleted, so we will read what is democracy and why democracy. So first chapter is what is democracy and why democracy. This chapter 2, constitutional design, chapter 3, electoral politics, and chapter 4, working of institutions, and chapter 5, democratic rights. In 5 chapters we will study in democratic politics book. Next, in SSC class 9th, book of contemporary India, textbook in geography, we will study chapters total of 6 chapter. First chapter is India, size and location. Chapter 2, physical features of India, and chapter 3, drainage. In this chapter we will study drainage system of India, and chapter 4, climate. In this part we will study difference between climate and weather, which types of climate in India, and chapter 5 we will study natural vegetation and wildlife. So many types of natural vegetation and wildlife in India we will study in this chapter. And chapter 6 is population. We will study in this topic how to population growth affect in India, politically, economically, we will study in this part. Okay. So next fourth part of our SSC economics. In this text section textbook, we will study 4 chapter. First, the story of village Palampur, and second chapter, people as resources. Chapter 3, poverty as a challenge, and chapter 4, food security in India. So I hope you all understood what is we will study in this year in SSC. So we I hope you all very excited and enjoy in SSC. Our class we will start in tomorrow class. Okay, thank you.